Alright guys, so I finally got an exhaust for the car. Well, sort of. I guess you could say a quarter of one. And it's Japanese JDM and pretty dang cool. So let me unbox it. It's pretty cool. It has Fragile on it, so it's not gonna get all banged up and stuff, but a lot of people will probably like it. A lot of people will probably be like, what's the point? But this is just the type of stuff that I really like. So, and if you've been following me for, you know, this amount of years, you would know that this is something that I would actually get for this car. Let me see. Alright guys, well, let me unbox this real quick, and then as I take it out, we'll see what it is. Alright guys, so first off, a little rusty because this thing's pretty dang old. That says 1152 or 1052 Futaba Honda. This is a DC5 Type R Integra Type R muffler, and there's literally packing peanuts inside. Okay, that's kind of cool that they stuffed it in there. So yeah, so I went with an OEM Integra axle back muffler, and the reason why it's because I wanted a bit more flow versus the 02 to 04 K20A2 muffler, which is pretty restrictive. It's good for like bottom end, but you could tell that it's holding it back, and I didn't want anything straight through and super loud all the time, stainless steel, titanium, all this fancy stuff. No, it's just not for me. So it has like this pretty cool roll tip right here, and how you can tell it's a Type R is that the regular ones are 1060 and the 1052 are Japanese, and this is a straight bolt-on right there. I could reuse my same hangers and everything. And there's one thing that's pretty unique about this muffler is that well, there's a baffle here and there's a baffle here. When the air goes in here, it goes into like a little 1-inch tip, and then it goes into this baffle, to this baffle, to this baffle, then it goes all the way out and comes out the tailpipe. But what's actually kind of cool right here is that right here, right there, there's a little spring action door, like a little valve right here. So when it goes in here and it goes into that little 1-inch, it's literally like that much where it goes inside. Once you give it, I think the beans after 5,045 through like 5,500 RPM, that little flap door opens and it bypasses. It goes straight from there, here, and it goes all the way down. And it's basically a straight through design after that. And then once you get off the gas, the little spring trap door, the valve, closes, and then that's where you have a smooth sounding exhaust. So just that little feature alone in the Type R is pretty dang cool. And yeah, this is going to be a nice little you know, addition to the mods that I have, you know, little supporting mods. And then after this is just going to be a nice little tune, and it's going to be a clean little daily. Well, yeah, so that's just going to be the little quick unboxing. Really nothing special. And yeah, this is very similar to the 05, 06 style, and but except it doesn't have that valve on the RSX, and this is a little bit different compared to the you know, the actual RSX, but they're similar. So make sure if you want to get one, it says 1052. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's going to be a quick little unboxing. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment, smash the like, and stay tuned for more.